This is the complete guide to Make, the visual automation platform formerly known as Integromat that lets you build workflows on a canvas, see data flowing through every module in real time, and now deploy AI agents directly inside your scenarios. Make connects over 3,000 apps, costs 3 to 5 times less than Zapier for complex workflows, and gives you visual logic routers, iterators, aggregators that Zapier can only approximate at a premium. By the end of this video you will understand exactly how Make works, how the credit-based pricing model operates and where the hidden costs are, how to build your first scenario from scratch, what Make AI agents are and how to use them, what Maia is and how it builds scenarios through conversation, what Make Grid is and why it matters for teams, how the MCP server turns your scenarios into tools any AI can call, and how Make compares honestly to Zapier, N8N, and specialist tools. Let us get into it. Make is a visual automation platform that was founded in Prague in 2012 as Integromat. It was acquired by Celonis in 2020 and rebranded as Make in 2022. It serves over 350,000 organizations across 200 countries. The core concept is a scenario, a visual flowchart you build on a canvas by connecting modules that represent app actions. Unlike Zapier's linear list of steps, Make shows you data flowing from module to module in real time as the scenario runs. Make connects over 3,000 apps natively, plus an HTTP and webhook module that connects to any REST API. Billing is credit-based since August 2025, one module action equals 1 credit. This is similar to Zapier's task model, with one important difference: polling triggers consume credits every time they check for new data, even when no data is found. The free plan gives you 1,000 credits a month, 2 active scenarios, and no expiry date on the credits. Here is every major Make feature. Visual Scenario Canvas, the fundamental differentiator. Your automation is a flowchart. You see data moving between modules as the scenario executes, making debugging and optimization visual. Routers and filters, split your scenario into parallel execution paths and apply conditions at any point to gate data flow. This is what Zapier calls paths and charges extra for. In Make, it is standard on every plan. Iterators and aggregators, process arrays item by item with an iterator, then recombine the processed items into a single output with an aggregator, essential for workflows that handle lists of data. Error handlers, define exactly what happens when a module fails, retry, ignore, break the scenario, or roll back to a previous state. Make AI agents, autonomous agents powered by large language models that reason, make decisions, and execute actions across your connected apps. Maia makes AI scenario builder that builds automations through conversation iteratively, with full visual transparency on the canvas. Make Grid, a real-time visual map of your entire automation landscape, every scenario and agent visible in one place. MCP Server and Client, your Make scenarios become callable tools for any MCP-compatible AI, and you can call external MCP tools inside your scenarios. The credit model is the most important thing to understand before you build and Make, and polling triggers are the most common source of unexpected bills. Every module action that fires in a scenario uses 1 credit. A trigger plus 3 action modules uses 4 credits per run. That is the same as Zapier's per step model and is easy to budget for. The trap: polling triggers. If your scenario is set to check for new data every 1 minute, Make wakes up and consumes 1 credit every minute, 43,200 credits a month from a single idle trigger. That blows the core plan in days. The solution: use webhook triggers wherever possible. Configure the external app to push data to Make when something happens. 0 credits consumed when nothing arrives. The good news: unused credits now roll over for 1 month on paid plans. The economics versus Zapier are compelling. Make Core at $9 a month includes 10,000 credits, roughly 2,000 runs of a 5-module scenario. Zapier Professional at almost $30 gets you 2,000 tasks, enough for 400 runs of the same 5-step workflow. Make is 2 to 5 times cheaper at equivalent volume. Here is how to get started with Make. Step 1. Go to make.com and create a free account. No card required. 1,000 credits a month with no expiry date. You get 2 active scenarios on the free plan. Step 2. Click Create a new scenario. Click the empty module circle on the canvas and search for your trigger app. For example, Gmail, then watch emails. Authorize the connection to your Google account. Step 3. Click the plus icon after the trigger module to add your first action. Search for the action app Google Sheets, Slack, Notion and configure the action. Map the data from your trigger into the action fields using Mixed Data Mapping Panel. Step 4. Add a router module for conditional logic if needed, then click Run once to execute the scenario with live data. Watch the data flow through each module visually. Green checkmarks show success, red shows failures with the exact error message. Make AI agents and Maia are the two AI features that change how you build and make. Step 1. Create a Make AI agent and define its goal in natural language. Unlike a standard scenario where you map every step, an agent takes a goal, classify this support email and route it to the right team, and figures out the execution path itself. AI agents are available on all plans, including the free tier. Step 2. Connect tools. Any existing Make module can become a callable tool for the agent. Connect an HTTP module and the agent can call any API. Connect a Gmail module and it can read and send email. The agent decides when to call each tool based on the task context. Step 3. Set the agent's AI model. All paid plan users can connect their own API key from OpenAI, Anthropic, or any other provider, or use Make's built-in AI provider. Step 4. Use Maia to build or iterate on scenarios. Maia is different from Zapier's Copilot. It builds through conversation. It asks clarifying questions, proposes structure, and lets you redirect as it builds. The result is fully visible on the standard Make canvas with complete transparency. Make Grid and MCP are the two features that most Make users discover too late. Make Grid is a real-time visual map of your entire automation landscape. Every scenario and agent in your organization is visible in a single organized view. You can see which automations are running, which are idle, where dependencies exist between scenarios, and where the bottlenecks are. Make is the only automation platform with this kind of organization-wide visual orchestration. It is what makes managing dozens of scenarios manageable. Available on all paid plans. MCP Server. When you enable Make's MCP Server, your scenarios become callable tools for any MCP-compatible AI. Connect Claude Desktop, ChatGPT, Cursor, or your own AI system to your Make MCP endpoint and you can instruct the AI to trigger any of your automations using natural language. MCP Client. Flip the direction. Inside your Make scenarios, the MCP Client lets you call external MCP-compatible tools, GitHub, Monday.com, and hundreds of others, without building a custom integration. The practical tip: set up Make Grid as soon as you have more than 10 scenarios running. The visibility it provides prevents duplicate automations and broken dependencies that accumulate silently without it. For marketing and content teams, Make's visual routing capability is the feature that replaces entire layers of manual work. Lead routing. Every form submission flows into a scenario that scores the lead, checks territory and tier, and routes to the right sales rep via the correct path, all in a single visual scenario with a router branching to different outcomes. Content distribution. One published trigger fans out to 5 platforms simultaneously through parallel branches, each formatted specifically for that platform. Social monitoring. Brand mentions flow in via webhook, the AI agent analyses sentiment, and a negative flag triggers an immediate Slack alert. Analytics aggregation. Make pulls data from 6 different tools, uses aggregator modules to consolidate it, applies transformation logic, and delivers a unified report. Campaign asset creation, webinar follow-up sequencing, ad performance digests, all standard Make use cases for marketing operations. For operations and sales teams, Make handles the multi-step workflows where every system needs to stay in sync. Invoice automation. A new invoice email arrives, Make extracts the attachment, sends it to an AI module that reads the vendor, amount, and due date, and writes the structured data to your accounting system. No manual entry, no missed invoices. CRM data hygiene. A scheduled scenario runs daily, iterates through incomplete CRM records, enriches each one via an API, and writes the updates back, keeping the database clean automatically. Support ticket routing. Every inbound ticket flows through an AI agent that classifies the issue, assigns a priority, and routes to the right team member. Employee onboarding. A new hire record triggers a 12-step scenario that provisions accounts in every system, sends the welcome documents, and schedules the week 1 check-ins. All of these are standard make scenarios that teams build once and run indefinitely. Here is the honest 3-way comparison. Make wins on visual logic. The canvas-based scenario builder with routers, iterators, and aggregators is more powerful and more understandable than Zapier's linear steps and more accessible than N8N's node-based technical interface. Make wins on cost versus Zapier, 3 to 5 times cheaper for equivalent workflow volume. Make wins on app pricing. All 3,000 integrations are available on every plan without a premium tier surcharge. Make wins on AI orchestration. AI agents, Maia, and Make Grid as a complete visual AI platform. Choose Zapier when you need the absolute simplest possible setup, the broadest possible app library at 8,000 integrations, or Copilot for natural language Zap building. Choose N8N when you need free self-hosting with unlimited executions, code nodes for custom logic, data privacy on your own infrastructure, or the lowest possible cost at high automation volume. The honest summary: Make is the best choice for the majority of teams. It beats Zapier on price and logic depth while remaining more accessible than N8N. Here is what teams are actually running in Make right now. An e-commerce operator built an 8-path router scenario. Every order fans out to a different path based on product type, triggering the right fulfillment process, notification, and inventory update for each. An agency uses a Make AI agent to receive a client brief, generate copy variants per channel, and route them through an approval workflow. What used to take 2 days of back and forth now takes 20 minutes. A SaaS company routes every trial sign-up through an enrichment scenario that scores intent and routes high-value prospects to an enterprise rep automatically. A finance team processes every bank transaction via webhook, AI categorizes it, and the budget tracker updates in real time. An HR team provisions all accounts for a new hire through a 15-module scenario that completes in under 2 minutes. Media teams, support teams, operations teams. The visual canvas makes these complex multi-path workflows buildable without engineering resources. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Zapier, Make is 3 to 5 times cheaper for equivalent workflows, has a more powerful visual canvas, and includes routers on every plan. Free. Zapier has 8,000 integrations, the simplest possible setup, and Copilot. Versus N8N, Make is hosted and managed with an easier learning curve. N8N is free to self-host with unlimited executions, code nodes, and full data sovereignty. Versus Power Automate, Make has better AI agents, more integrations outside Microsoft, and better cost structure. Power Automate is free with Microsoft 365 and has deeper Microsoft Stack integration. Versus WorkAuto, Make is dramatically cheaper and easier to learn. WorkAuto has deeper enterprise IPaaS maturity and support SLAs. Versus Active Pieces, Make has more integrations, more mature AI agents, and Make Grid. Active Pieces is MIT licensed with cheaper cloud plans. The honest summary: Make is the best balance of price, visual power, and accessibility for teams that need more than Zapier but do not have the technical capacity for N8N. 8 things that make Make significantly more effective and prevent expensive mistakes. 1. Use webhook triggers wherever the external app supports them. A single polling trigger set to 1-minute intervals consumes 43,000 credits a month before any action fires. Webhooks consume 0 credits when nothing arrives. 2. Add your router as early in the scenario as possible. Branch the logic before you start transforming data. This prevents unnecessary processing on the wrong path. 3. Add an error handler module to every scenario before activating it. Without one, a failed module silently stops the scenario with no notification. 4. Always click Run once to test with real live data before activating a scenario. This shows you exactly how data flows through every module and catches mapping errors before they affect production data. 5. If you are on the Teams plan, build scenario templates for your most common workflows and share them across the team. 6. Set up Make Grid immediately, not after you have 50 scenarios. 7. Break complex scenarios into sub-scenarios. Smaller units are easier to debug. 8. Check your credit usage dashboard at least weekly. especially in the first month after activating new scenarios. Make pricing every plan explained. All prices shown are annual billing, which saves approximately 15%. Free is $0 and gives you 1,000 credits per month, 2 active scenarios, and no expiry date on the credits. All 3,000 integrations are available. This is a genuine functional free tier, not a time-limited trial. Core at $9 a month gives you 10,000 credits, unlimited active scenarios, API access, and rollover credits. This covers most solopreneurs and small businesses. Pro at $16 adds priority scenario execution, your workflow's queue jump during peak hours, plus custom variables and full-text execution log search for easier debugging. If you run time-sensitive automations or need to debug complex workflows, Pro is worth the extra $7 over Core. Teams at $29 adds team roles and permissions, shared scenario templates, and double the API rate limit. Enterprise is custom priced and adds custom credit volumes, SSO, audit logs, overage protection so workflows never stop unexpectedly, and 24/7 support. My recommendation: start free, build 2 scenarios to validate your use case, then move to Core as soon as you hit the active scenario limit. Here is everything you need to start. Go to make.com, free account, 1,000 credits a month, no card required, no expiry date. Pricing for Core, Pro, Teams, and Enterprise is at make.com/pricing. Over 3,000 scenario templates are at make.com/templates import and modify rather than building from scratch. And Make Academy at academy.make.com has free courses and 90 days of expert access even on the free plan. All links are in the description below. If this guide gave you a clear picture of what Make can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. The teams running Make right now are building automation at Zapier quality for a fraction of Zapier's price, with logic depth that Zapier cannot match. Now go build a scenario. See you in the next one.